Hello, savvy investors. Today, we're diving into how you can use ETFs to build your wealth. So buckle up because we're about to explore some ETFs that could supercharge your portfolio. First up, we're going to unearth the profit potential in copper with the Global X Copper Miners ETF, or COPX. This ETF is laser focused on copper mining companies, giving you direct exposure to the heartbeat of the electric revolution. With $2.3 billion in assets under management, COPX is a major player in the copper space. Why copper? Because it's the metal of the future. From electric vehicles to renewable energy, copper demand is surging. And with COPX, you can capitalize on this mega trend without having to pick and choose individual mining stocks. It's a powerful way to play the copper surge and potentially supercharge your portfolio. Now, let's talk about a metal that's been prized for centuries, silver, and the ABAR-DN Physical Silver Shares ETF, or SIVR, is your ticket to own this precious metal. SIVR holds physical silver, the real deal, stored in secure vaults. With $1.2 billion in assets under management, SIVR is a major force in the silver market. Silver is an industrial powerhouse, essential for everything from solar panels to electronics. And as the world transitions to a greener, more tech-driven future, the demand for silver is only going to increase. In times of economic uncertainty, investors flock to silver as a store of value. So whether you're looking to diversify your holdings, hedge against inflation, or simply bet on the enduring value of silver, SIVR is an ETF worth considering. Let's turn our attention to the backbone of America, its industrial sector. And the First Trust RBA, American Industrial Renaissance ETF, AIRR, is your way to tap into this powerful engine of growth. AIRR focuses on small cap companies in the American industrial and community banking sectors. With $900 million in assets under management, AIRR targets companies that are often overlooked by Wall Street giants. These are the innovators, the disruptors, the companies that are building the future of American industry. Plus, with its focus on community banks, AIRR also gives you exposure to the financial institutions that are fueling growth at the local level. It's a chance to invest in the heart and soul of the U.S. economy and potentially reap the rewards of its resurgence. Now, for all you momentum traders out there, buckle up. The Invesco S&P Midcap Momentum ETF, XMMO, is designed to capture the gains from companies on the move. This ETF tracks mid-cap companies with strong momentum in the U.S. market. With $2.1 billion in assets under management, XMMO is a major player in the momentum space. Momentum investing is all about identifying and capitalizing on trends. It's about finding those companies that are outperforming the market and riding that wave of success. For those who are comfortable with a bit of volatility, XMMO offers the potential for outsized returns. We've covered some powerful ETFs today that can help you grow your wealth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. And as always, I'm here to help you navigate the exciting world of investing.